Hello everyone, so I have more Valentine tags to share with you, and here are the dies that I use. And don't forget to use the code Thanks Rosa for a 10% off your purchase over $35 plus free shipping worldwide. So it looks like I used a lot of dies, but that's because I made several tags, and they are very simple tags to make, and I will show you what they look like. So I have my tags packaged up. This is how I'm going to send them to my swap partners. I'm going to send them in these boxes. These boxes are from Dollar Tree, and I used the biggest one, which is this one right here. So that's the box, and then I've been using these quite a bit, and then I will eventually use these as well. So all I do is I don't do a lot of like altering the boxes. All I do is just alter the lid itself, as you can see. So I layered it with some red paper, and then on top I put the decorative paper, and I did that with all of them. And this one, I have a belly band on it, and that's because I need to send this one out like right now. And then these two, I will eventually put something on here. And also to keep it shut, because this one has more tags than the other ones. So this just comes off just like that, and there it is. And I got this from Walmart, and I do have if you watch my haul video, I show you all the other ones that I got. So that's that, and here is that diamondized die right there. I cut it out in silver, and then the red, this is just a sticker from Target. And so here are the tags, and I thought they came out really cute, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like. So here are these. These were really simple to make. I got inspired by Rosa. She is another designer for diamond dies. She doesn't make videos, but she does have an Instagram. I will link that down below so you can check out her creations. She makes beautiful cards. So I've been checking out her Instagram a lot because I've been struggling with my cards. So she made a card with these, but I made tags. So that's what that one looks like. And then here are these. Super cute. There is that ticket die, and the Hugs and Kisses is a stamp set from Stampin' Up. And I do have a tutorial on how I fused, not these, but it was, if you watched this video on how I made this particular tag, then I made these exactly the same way. So I will link that down below. And then of course I already have a video on this. These are like my favorite. I love them. I think they came out so pretty. And then here is another set. There's another one. I know I'm probably like all over the place. Oh, look at this one. I just love the way this one came out. I thought it came out so pretty. There's another one of those. So I just wanted to share with you my tags. And here are these tags. These tags, black and white, they were very plain, and I just added this. This is a die that I got from online. There is more of that ticket. I love it. And some hearts. I added a bow to that one. This is a sticker from Target. And then here is another one. So this was pink. I mean, this is like a red heart, and this is the pink one. That also came out really cute. So that's what that looks like. I ended up, in the video that I show you, these did not have eyelets and ribbons, so I added some because I finally found some. And here is the last tags. Now these tags, these gold tags, I've had in my stash for a long time. I think last summer they had them on sale for like under $1, like 67 cents, and there were like 12 of them in a pack. And I have like different packs, and I had no idea how to make, what to do with them, and I finally put them to good use, and I thought it came out cute. And I just love the bows. Oh, they make it like just add something more, something extra to you know, to the tags. And I cut all of my bows, I cut them out using felt. And it cut out so nice, you guys. Now, I have different types of felt. I've had some like cheap felt from Joann's. And that one, I guess because it's really thin, it doesn't cut very good. But this one is from, these right here is from Hobby Lobby and Joann's, and no, just from Hobby Lobby, and it's like really good quality. Not only is it thicker, but it cuts so much nicer. It gives it like a really nice clean cut, whereas this one, the one from Joann's, I actually have to use my scissors to help it cut in certain places. So it has nothing to do with the dye, it's with the quality of the felt. But I thought it came out really cute. So that's it for today, ladies. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that I have inspired you to make your own tags. And thank you for everyone who's been tagging me on Instagram, and because some of you ladies have been making some of these, not exactly like this, obviously, but some been making something similar, also with the flip book that I have a tutorial on a flip book, and some of you ladies have been tagging me with with your version of, of the flip book and stuff that you've made. So thank you so much for that, ladies. I'm glad I'm able to share this with you, and yeah. So don't forget to visit Diamond Dyes. I will have all of the videos in the description box. The videos like for this one, and yeah, I don't know why I said videos, just the video for this one in case you're interested in how I made this if you haven't watched it. And I will also have all of the links to Diamond Dyes, which is Facebook and the website. Alright, okay, so I am done. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day, everyone. Bye.